JSewell. What's good? I'm Jay. Today I'm going to be breaking down a melody I made with Sauceware's new Scorch one-shot kit. Felt like I just used a lot of S's just then. And did I mention it was free? Link in description, my guy. All right, let's hop into FL. As you can see, the pack's got a bunch of different sounds, all made with Scorch. It's got combinations. Got lo-fi sounds. Pianos and keys. Strings and guitars. Synth keys. Synth pads. So if you're still on the fence about whether you're going to get Scorch, I think this is a great kit to have because you can just experiment with a few of the sounds, even though the actual plugin itself has hundreds more. But anyway, let's get into the loop. All right, so I started off with these chords with the Beast or Burden synth pad. Next I throw on some halftime, set that to a quarter loop and turn the effects tab all the way up. Then I applied some kickstart, set it to 1/8 and turn the mix down a bit. And then I just used an EQ to get rid of the lows. And then I got this. Next I grabbed the Beijing Wayne synth keys and I made a real simple pattern. Ain't sounding like much right now, but give it a chance. I applied another halftime, baby. Set that to half bar. Like I said, give it a chance. Then I applied some crystallizer from Sound Toys. I told you. Then I applied another halftime on top of that, and then an EQ to get rid of the low. With the main melody, I got this. For the next part of the loop, I turned off one of the halftimes I had on Beijing Wayne, but one halftime was still on. Then I grabbed the Heaven's Gate combination and came up with this pattern. Now I applied a kickstart to that, set it to 1/8 again. Applied a free plugin called Pancake and set that to 1 bar so the sound pans from left to right. And then another EQ to get rid of the lows. And that's the loop done. Let's make a beat with it. I am not liking this snare. It's sounding doo-doo. Oh, now let's add some rhythm to the hi-hats. Good name. Oh yeah.
A great success!
We're gonna highlight this, Alt-A to chop it up, then we're gonna Alt-O and then play with these settings a bit to make it arch up. Alright, so I'm gonna do some arrangement on the beat real quick and then I'll show you guys the final result. See you in a bit. And we're back. Alright, so I didn't really do too much, I just added and subtracted sounds to keep the beat interesting. And then I added a few risers like this one and this one. I also threw some looperator on my hi-hats. And also threw it on my master and automated it just before the drop so that there's like this cool rewind effect. Here's the final beat. that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are feeling any of the sounds in this video, definitely go down in the description and download the free one-shot kit. And if you like any of the sounds from the kit, definitely consider copying Scorch, because you're gonna level up your melodies, bro. If you guys enjoyed the video at all, drop a like and consider subscribing. It helps the channel grow. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you thought of the final beat. And that is it from me. Take care.